we are back again for another episode of Road to Reserve. Uh, right now, what we're trying to figure out is to basically, ang gagawin natin ngayon is to create a database na for the app. And then, for yun lang yung gagawin natin. That will be around 15 minutes or less. Ang i-fill ko muna na data will be the activities because that's the low-hanging fruit. Yun yung natin ngayon. Target natin ngayon. So, okay, let's go. Yan. Alam mo, you should watch yung ano ko. Share ako sa'yo ng ano ko. Paano mag-add ng data?
Ano i-share mo?
Mag-share ako sa'yo ng ba't yung share ko?
Movie?
Hindi. Yung video, itong edit ko. Ang ganda ng ano eh, medyo maganda yung ano ko eh, setup ko.
Edit. Vlog?
Yeah.
What are you vlogging?
Vlogging. Ito nga yung pag-create ko ng app.
Should I eat first before I go to sleep? Like, something to ano may the oil? Ano kailangan mo gawin para maging okay ako?
Uminom ka ng warm water. Ayan na siya, naglalag na siya guys. Grabe, maglalag tong laptop na naman.
In this video, I want to show you two
Hindi yan.
What it feels like.
History. Nasaan yung history ng Google ko?
I feel like okay na kasi nag-burp na ako. Okay na kaya yun?
Magano ka nung medyo warm water, babe.
I don't like drinking warm water naman eh.
Papasaway na. Okay. So, mag-create tayo ng another document. Pati ID. TP.
What it feels like.
Document. Auto ID. Badminton.
Akala ko nilagyan nila ng alak yung cookies.
Bakit?
Lemon dough.
Hmm?
Tsaka cookies.
Talaga?
Yan pala yun lang ipapartner mo sa lemon dough. If you're here, you're gonna get me water, but you're not here, so I'm not gonna drink.
So, ayan. Ano yung isang laro natin sa sa Siargao? Pickleball at tapos yung isa yun?
Adel.
Paddle.
I miss you so much. I miss you so much.
So, paddle.
Do you want me to die?
Paddle. Ayan. So, meron tayong data. Yun. Okay. So, okay. I think yun lang muna for today. That's not a tutorial at all. I just showed you how to basically insert data doon sa table sa Flutter. Okay. Thank you.
Bye, guys.